Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to do unboxing of my cloth and paper subscription box for the month of January. So without further ado, let's get on to it. Okay, so January onwards, they have changed their boxing style. Since I only get the planner subscription, I don't get the stationery, so there are some gaps here. I like the packaging. It says there's luxury in simplicity. Let's keep in touch, cloth and paper. I believe that the boxes are about the same size as earlier. Let's see what's in here. So this is the new colors that was introduced by cloth and paper. I really love this this color. Okay, so let's open. Okay, so this is the items in it. Let's open the folder because this is what I was quite excited about. I'm still deciding on what I am supposed to be doing with this folder actually, because I'm looking out for some ideas from other subscribers who may have ideas on how they are using this. So the size is an A4 size, I believe. Okay, so this is not an A4 size or letter size. It's definitely much smaller than that, but it is bigger than A5 size. If you have any idea on how I can use this, do let me know. Okay, so they have embossed cloth and paper here. I don't know whether you can see them. And they have something that I could slide in here, maybe a book. Let's see. Yep, this is a composition book. Yeah, but this is bigger, so but I'm just trying it on. Oh, it's actually not bad. It looks like a perfect size for this, but I'm having difficulty to closing it. Maybe a smaller size would definitely, of course, the smaller size would definitely fit in. So this is my B6. This is way too small actually. Yeah. Well, anyway, let me know if you have ideas on how to use this place. So they have pocket here and another pocket here, and then you can just close them. Okay, so that's called the arched folder. No other pocket folder can compare to our new arched folder, featuring a gorgeous arch shape and embossed design. This folder combines both beauty and function in one product. The inside pockets and compartments allow you to store your papers, cards, and accessories in one folder. So the dimension of it is 7.5 times 10 inches. Okay, so now let's get on to the neat part of the subscription box. Okay, so the size that I ordered this time is the wide pocket insert because this year I'm using my new planner size, which is this one. For 2022, I decided to move to a wide personal size. It's not wide pocket, it's wide personal size. I'm sorry about that. So that's why I decided to add on more inserts in here. If you want to know how I set up for this year's planner, I will put a link up here. You can go ahead and take a look on my planner setup for the year 2022. This is the Matchstick. I love this page flags actually because this is really useful. For my previous, if you look at my previous video, I have tagged them like accomplished, important, and some of the tags that is really useful because I don't have like stickers to stick on. So what I do is I just use my brother's tag printer and I print them and on the page flags, and I stick them on my planner like this. It's really useful because I can just do any type of stickers that I want and I will just paste them in here and I can use them in my planner. Okay, so let's just open this. Anyway, okay, this is half sticky notes in Tuscany and Cafe Noir. Let me see this one. Okay, this is matte. Okay, Oh, but I thought that it will open up this way, but it opens up this way. It's kind of good. Okay, this is definitely useful for my white pen. I like this. Okay, this is another what this called? It's a new beginnings dashboard, a new year and in between of what is past and what is ahead of us. A clean slate, excitement, but also reflection, a new plan, a lot of thinking, too much, too fast. Wow. Okay. This would be definitely a great addition into my 2022 planner. It's very nice. Okay, next is balance is not something you find, it's something you create. Wow, I love the dashboards for this month. It's very, very nice, and I really need this kind of reminder to make sure that I'm balancing everything, because I often forget those. So this is another dashboard. It's called the swatch dashboard. Okay, all these are a thick papers. Okay, so now this is the personal wide monthly admin. Okay, if I've known they're actually giving this in the subscription box, I would have opted for an A5, because I don't have any plans to use this for this year, because I've already set up my planner. So how many are here? 1, 2, and 12. Oh, okay, so perfect for entire year. So they have a small undated inserts. Thank God for that, because I can definitely use them for next year. So I'm putting that aside. Okay, that's tasks, important dates, next month, what's going on, and some notes at the back. This is really, really perfect for my next year. Or I could use this for my financial tracker. I don't know. Let's just wait and see. So this is a weekly admin. Okay. Weekly admin has again undated inserts. Okay, there's task, there's habits, and focus, and oh, there's more the same at the back. So let me see how many weeks. So 1, 15. So there are 15 pages in here. That means that's about 30 weeks. That's not bad. And then if I wanted to add on more, I could just purchase the inserts from Cloth and Paper next year. To be honest, this section of my weekly things is kind of small, but if it's only for weekly, I guess it's okay, because I can just concentrate what I'm going to do on that particular week, right? So yeah, I like this, but I am probably going to use this next year. Oh, this one was put in another dashboard. Okay, as usual, we receive the month card, and this is a journal card. Create without boundaries. Oh, this agenda belongs to, wow, okay, this is perfect. This I can definitely add into my planner. This is nothing. Create without boundaries. Nice. And this is the quick planning tools. So capture ideas quickly in your inbox, create a task timeline, allocate your resources, plan at the same time every day, write out a clear and concise plan, categorize your task list, schedule your top 3 tasks rather than adding to your task list, include quick tasks to your task list to give yourself some wins, revisit your task list often, and don't overwhelm yourself. Migrate tasks that you don't complete. Good. But I don't think this is okay, I may not be able to add this into my white planner because this is a different size altogether. So let me see what are the things that I'm going to add in here. voila, and it's done. That's awesome. So if I want to view my master task list, all I need to do is turn the page right here, and I'm at the master task list. Okay, so if I want to go to today, that's today. So this is really awesome. Okay, my inbox is here, my master task list is here. I know it's like, you know, all over the place, but I really prefer this system. So I think I pretty much used up all the dashboards. And I hope you enjoy this unboxing and also setting up my white personal planner for this year. If you want to know how I have done this planner setup, do go ahead and take a look at my previous video. And that's it for now, and have a nice day. Bye.